This is a little program that will take a Google Drive, copy its contents and make them into PDF files. And the way you get started is I'm going to supply you with this address, and it'll be in the email, or it'll be in the description if it's on YouTube. And all that you do is press make a copy, and it will copy this program into your Google Drive. And we have two URLs that we need to put in. One is the source folder, and one is where you want the files to go to, the destination. So I'm just going to delete what I've got in there. And then I've got some folders already set up, so I want to copy this. It will copy all the contents of this, including PDF files. If you've got Word documents, Excel documents, and PowerPoint documents, it won't copy those. It won't actually work. Now also, it won't go into individual folders and copy the contents of those. It'll only just do the files that are in here. And so I'm just going to right click on that address, copy, and paste that into the source. I'm going to go to the destination folder that I've set up. I'm going to right click that, press copy, and then paste that into the destination. Now the first time you run this, it'll ask you for some security things. So I'm going to go to options at the top and then say make PDF files in folder. And it's saying the authorization is required. So you press continue, you select who you are, and then it'll ask you lots of privileges because it's actually taking your files and putting new ones in your Google Drive. So just press allow. And then that's the authorization. Just press options and make PDF files in folder. The authorization will only be done once, the first time you use it. Now this script is running, and it will show you that at the top. Once it's complete, it'll pop up a little message in the middle of the screen. If we go to the destination folder here, you can see that it's started to make these. So a few seconds later, the message should appear. And just press OK. And you can see all your files there, and you can see that the PDF has been copied in as well.